Achieving a leak-free connection in any environment is the holy grail for many piping and instrumentation engineers. Traditional hookups use a multitude of valves and fittings, creating a lot of potential leak points. By only adopting 10 easy steps, you can radically reduce leakage risks and achieve substantial cost and efficiency savings. Step 1. Use fully integrated tubing connections. Fully integrated tubing connections in valves and manifolds eliminate leak-prone taper threads. Step 2. Utilize instrument flange adapters with integrated tubing connections. This leak-free method of manifold installation has the added benefit of near-zero clearance for reliable usage. Step 3. Switch to threadless flange to tube interface. These one-piece integral connectors allow the leak-free conversion from standard piping flanges to instrument tube fittings. Step 4. Reduce the number of individual valves. Combining multiple valves into one body reduces the amount of leak paths. Step 5. Utilize close coupled instrument mounting techniques. Direct mounting of the transmitter onto the process pipeline eliminates threads, thread sealants, potential leak points, and galling risks. Step 6. Use fugitive emission class valves. Using fugitive emission class valves can help cut the likelihood of leaks and contribute to a safer environment. Step 7. Use modular units. Factory-assembled and tested modular systems minimize the risk of leakage. Step 8. Select high-quality connector and tubing combinations. Controlling the quality of tubing and fittings is a quick way to minimize entire system leakage. Step 9. Innovate with bespoke solutions. Often, innovative, customer-driven solutions can deliver leak-free systems in challenging environments. Step 10. Follow manufacturer's installation guidelines. After selecting the correct combinations and materials, follow manufacturer's installation guidelines to assemble leak-free connections. Looking for a leak-free solution? For further information and advice on achieving leak-free connections and overcoming operational challenges in technical environments, please visit parker.com/IPD or talk to your local Parker distributor.